les conjugaisons irrégulières, and we'll see especially the verbs that will end with e, l, e, r. Okay, so verbs from the first group, so regular verbs, but then in some cases they will be a little bit modified. Okay, but then first thing that we should say is that the verbs like appeler, s'appeler, rappeler, se rappeler, or then interpeller, actually they won't follow the rules or the rule that we will see in this video. Okay, so I will make a special video right after this one, okay, and then we'll see how they are modified, because they are modified as well in a way, okay, but then they don't follow the rule that we'll see in this video. Okay, so I wanted to take this verb geler, to freeze, okay, and so we'll see that so geler will actually be slightly modified, okay, and it will concern the following tenses: indicatif présent, futur simple, conditionnel présent, and then subjonctif présent. For all the other tenses, actually geler will be conjugated like it should be, or like the other verbs from this first group are conjugated. Okay, so we'll start with the présent and we'll see the forms. Je gèle, tu gèles, il gèle, nous gelons, vous gelez, il gèle. Okay, and so what you can see is that je, tu, il, and then il will be concerned by these changes, and in that case we're only talking about this accent grave. Okay, so you will have to remember to put this accent grave on the top of e for je, tu, il, and then il at the plural. If you look carefully for nous and vous, you don't change, you don't modify it, you just keep it like that and respect the rule of conjugation or construction of conjugation. Okay, so je gèle, tu gèles, il gèle, but then nous gelons, vous gelez, il gèle. Okay, so let's see now for the futur simple. Je gèlerai, tu gèleras, il gèlera, nous gèlerons, vous gèlerez, ils gèleront. Okay, so in that case you can see that all the forms are concerned, and it's exactly the same modification, so you need to put this accent grave on the top of the first e here. J'ai, okay, so gèlerai, gèlera, gèlera, gèleront, gèlerai, gèleront. Okay, so if we're talking about conditionnel présent now, we'll see the forms. Je gèlerai, tu gèlerais, il gèlerait, nous gèlerions, vous gèleriez, il gèlerait. Okay, so what you can see is that it's exactly the same modification, and it will concern all the forms. So accent grave on the top of the first e. Gèlerait, 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 gèlerions, gèleriez, gèlerait. For the subjonctif présent now, it will go like que je gèle, que tu gèles, qu'il gèle, que nous gelions, que vous geliez, qu'il gèle. Okay, so the modification will concern je, tu, il, and then il at the plural form. For nous and vous, actually, you don't modify it, you just keep it like that, and you put the normal endings for the subjonctif présent. So, que je gèle, que tu gèles, qu'il gèle, and then qu'il gèle. Okay, so remember that if we're talking about these verbs, so the verbs of the first group ending with e, l, e, r, the following tenses will be modified, so indicatif présent, futur simple, conditionnel présent, and then subjonctif présent.